Alright my peeps, so I'm gonna use my selfie stick for my camera from the Yi 2. Alright, so I stretched it up all the way. You see, oh man, it doesn't stay. Hold on, I have to lock these individually. So to lock them, you turn to the right, turn to your, let me stretch them out though, hold on. Make sure they're stretched out all the way. And now I'm going to start locking them individually. Okay. So the total length of my selfie stick, it's about 2 feet and 4 inches. Alright. 2 feet 4 inches. But really 2 feet because of the handle. Whoa, alright, sorry about that. We're gonna attach, see if this fits. If it does, I'm sorry, then we can use a selfie stick. So we'll see if it works or not. Yep, I mean it goes in, it seems like it fits, but will it screw? That's the thing. Hold on. Let me lock this thingy and then spin it manually with my fingers. There you go. Alright, figure it out. Alright, that should be good enough. Unlock this. Raise this up. Lock it. I'm sorry. This is frustrating the way I am. So this thing, it only swivels to a 90 degree. So, and then we're gonna lock you. Hold on. And then you lock it up. And that should have your sensor. And now I have my sensor attached to my selfie stick. Now I can grab it and get really far as I have to, doesn't matter, without having that tugging and that resistance. Cool. So there you go. This is me attaching the sensor to my selfie stick. It worked out. So another thing that I'm gonna just say it out loud, if which I'm gonna tell this to Travis, if they could include a selfie stick, if they could design one, because this is short. This is what, 2 feet 4 inches. So if they could design one that is maybe 6 feet or expands to 6 feet, you know, a really cool one by Hydro Farm. So there you go. So Hydro Farm, may you please design and provide us a selfie stick to attach to the sensor, made by you, please, pretty please. So this is just an idea. Okay, alright, so this is the end of this video.